Stay prepared with the best survival gear, built for extreme conditions and emergency readiness. Compact, durable, and multifunctional, it includes essential tools for shelter, fire, navigation, and first aid. Perfect for camping, hiking, or any unexpected situation outdoors. In this video, we recommend the 7 best survival gear. Based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. VEITORLD 12-in-1 Survival Gear. The VEITORLD 12-in-1 Survival Gear is a powerful all-in-one kit perfect for outdoor adventure seekers. It features essential tools like a wire saw, emergency blanket, water bottle clip, flint scraper, flashlight, credit card multi-tool, and a spoon-fork combo, all packed in a compact, waterproof box. This survival kit ensures you're prepared for camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, or unexpected emergencies during any outdoor trip. Durable, lightweight, and easy to carry, it offers peace of mind whether you're exploring the wilderness or adding to your emergency gear at home. An excellent gift choice for Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays, it brings both practicality and excitement for men, teens, and outdoor-loving families. Combining utility and thoughtful design, this kit stands out as a cool and functional gift for anyone who enjoys being ready for any situation. Number 6. The Verifygear 17-in-1 Survival Kit. The Verifygear 17-in-1 Survival Kit is a complete, professional-grade set made for outdoor lovers in emergency readiness. It includes a waterproof case, tactical pen, compass, flashlight, wire saw, fire starter, multifunctional spork, knives, screwdriver set, survival rope bracelet, and more tools crafted to handle real-life situations. Each item is built from durable, long-lasting materials that can withstand the toughest environments, making it ideal for hiking, fishing, mountain climbing, and wilderness survival. Despite its wide range of tools, the kit remains lightweight and compact, fitting easily in a backpack, car, drawer, or bike gear. It can even be attached to harnesses or outdoor equipment for quick access during any adventure. This survival kit isn't just practical, it's a thoughtful gift idea for men, dads, teens, or anyone passionate about exploring the outdoors with confidence and preparation. Number 5. TRSCIND 14-in-1 Survival Kit. The TRSCIND 14-in-1 Survival Kit is an essential, versatile toolset designed for outdoor adventurers. This comprehensive kit features a wire saw, emergency blanket, flintstone scraper, flashlight, credit card multi-tool, compass, and more, covering a wide range of survival needs. Its compact, lightweight, waterproof, and shockproof design makes it perfect for hiking, hunting, backpacking, traveling, or any outdoor activity requiring reliable emergency gear. The durable carrying case ensures easy storage and transport, fitting comfortably in cars, backpacks, or gear bags for quick access when needed most. Whether for Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays, this survival kit is a thoughtful gift that combines practicality with rugged style. It offers peace of mind and preparedness for men, teens, and anyone passionate about exploring the outdoors safely and confidently. Number 4. LUXMOM 28-in-1 Survival Kit. The LUXMOM 28-in-1 Survival Kit is expertly designed to provide comprehensive protection for outdoor enthusiasts, families, and adventurers. This all-in-one kit combines 21 multi-purpose survival tools, a 106-piece first aid kit, and a full fishing tools set, ensuring you're ready for any situation from camping and hiking to climbing and boating. Key tools include a hatchet, folding shovel, pick, 3-mode tactical flashlight, multifunctional card, survival bracelet, wire saw, dual-tube whistle, emergency blanket, fire starting tools, and durable parachute cord. All items are neatly arranged in a compact, lightweight, and durable nylon bag with MOLLE-compatible straps, allowing easy attachment to backpacks or belts for quick access on the go. Ideal for tactical professionals, first responders, outdoor sports lovers, and families, This survival kit offers reliable gear to treat wounds, start fires, and handle emergencies efficiently. It's a thoughtful and practical gift choice for men, dads, husbands, or anyone passionate about safety and adventure. Number 3. XKASE 19-in-1 Survival Kit. The XKASE 19-in-1 Survival Kit is a comprehensive and versatile gear set designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. This all-in-one kit includes essential tools such as a 5-in-1 parachute cord bracelet, built-in compass, whistle, thermal blanket to prevent hypothermia, and multiple survival gadgets to handle diverse emergency scenarios. Its compact, lightweight design features a waterproof and shockproof foam interior, ensuring secure storage and easy portability. The kit fits effortlessly into cars, backpacks, or camping gear, making it perfect for hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, or backpacking trips. This survival kit provides reliable and practical tools to enhance safety and preparedness in the wild, giving users peace of mind during their outdoor adventures. Ideal as a thoughtful gift for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, or Valentine's Day, it combines convenience and functionality in one durable package. Number 2. ASTNES 14-Piece Survival Kit. This 14-piece survival kit from ASTNES stands out as one of the best survival gear sets for outdoor enthusiasts. It includes essential tools like a survival knife, fire starter, tactical pen, flashlight, wire saw, emergency blanket, credit card tool, multi-use spoon fork, and a waterproof box. Perfect for hiking, camping, fishing, and backpacking, this kit offers reliable gear to handle emergencies with ease. Its compact size fits easily in backpacks, cars, drawers, or attaches to mountain bikes for quick access. Ideal as a Christmas stocking stuffer or a thoughtful gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or Valentine's Day, it blends practicality with cool design. With professional-grade equipment, it ensures safety and convenience on every outdoor adventure. Number 1. RIKOJUXI 262-Piece Survival Kit. The RIKOJUXI 262-Piece Survival Kit is a complete emergency solution for families and outdoor lovers. Created with input from first responders, it covers critical needs for the first 72 hours during disasters like earthquakes, tornadoes, and wildfires. The first aid kit includes essential medical supplies in a bright red pouch for easy access. Survival tools like a fishing kit, collapsible water bag, fire starter, flashlight, and glow sticks provide food, water, warmth, and light in emergencies. Sturdy carbon steel axe and shovel with pick help build shelter and offer protection, while the wire saw and emergency tent increase safety. Packed in a versatile crossbody bag with multiple compartments and maul straps, it's easy to carry and customize for any adventure or crisis. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.